Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a product that's trending on Amazon, Ceeniu Smart Car Air Freshener. This little gadget promises to revolutionize the way you keep your car smelling fresh, and I'm here to see if it lives up to the hype. Let's start with the good things. Customers on Amazon rave about this product, giving it an impressive overall rating of 4.4 stars out of 5. Is it one of the biggest reviews? Long-lasting scent. Each bottle is said to last up to 4 months, making them a very cost-effective option compared to inferior cardboard air fresheners. Additionally, you can adjust the focus to suit your preferences. Some reviewers even mentioned that the bamboo forest smells so good, it makes their car feel like a spa. Now, what makes this air freshener smart? It has a built-in smart mode that automatically releases the fragrance when you start driving and turns off when you park. No more forgetting to turn it on or off. Plus, it's completely wireless and rechargeable, so you don't have to worry about messy cords or dead batteries, although some reviewers mentioned minor concerns about battery life. Of course, no product is perfect. Some users have reported that the liquid scent can leak out if the device is not kept upright. Additionally, the price may seem a bit high compared to traditional options, and it can take up some space in your cup holder. Also, some reviewers found some of the fragrances to be a little overpowering at first. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Ceeniu Smart Car Air Freshener appears to be a winner. The long-lasting fragrance, convenient smart mode, and variety of scent options make it a clear upgrade over traditional methods. Additionally, customer service and warranty appear to be top-notch according to reviewers. If you're tired of constantly replacing air fresheners or dealing with unpleasant odors in your car, the Ceeniu Smart Car Air Freshener is definitely worth checking out. You can find the link to buy it below in the description box. While you're there, be sure to leave a comment and let me know what kind of car products you'd like to see reviewed next. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more great auto accessory and tech reviews. Thanks for watching.